26 of the Wellspring 6-minute writing mini workshops. Thanks for joining us again today, and I'm going to launch in quite quickly into the prompt. Your prompt for today is roll the dice. Every time we put our pen to paper or open up our laptop to the blank page on Word or whatever, there is a little bit of a roll of the dice. We never quite know where our imagination is going to take us, especially when we use a prompt. So let's have a bit of fun with that today. And it was just from doing a little bit of tidying up that I got the dice. So remember, ideas are everywhere. That's what I explore in my little book Magpie Mind, is this idea of keeping your mind open to opportunity whenever those ideas or opportunities for inspiration come up. So, notepad, as I usually use, and a reminder that what I normally use, what I normally do when I'm writing is use keywords and phrases. I'm too slow a writer. I can't get to the end of a sentence without another 3 or 4 ideas having come up. So I use keywords and phrases. It helps me keep up, and it keeps the editor off to one side as well. I don't have to worry about sentences. Don't even worry about spelling or getting the right word. Just use whatever word comes to mind and go with it. And keep writing, even if the only thing that comes to mind is, I don't know what to write, I don't know what to write. Okay, so for day 26, your prompt is roll the dice. Your 6 minutes, I will time that as ever, I will time that for us. Where is, get myself organised. Okay, right, 6 minutes. Remember, keep writing. Don't stop, just keep it going and keep it flowing. That's my wee catchphrase I haven't used for ages. Okay, so keep it going, keep it flowing. Right. Ready, steady, your 6 minutes starting now. Okay, everybody, that is your 6 minutes up. As I say, every time you pick up your pen and you pick a prompt, you're rolling that dice to see what will come up. And sometimes what comes out might end up as a poem, it might end up as a short story, or for me, a little conversation in one of the novels that I'm writing, or a scene or a character. Sometimes it doesn't really end up as anything much at all, and it's just a reflection on what's going on in your head in that moment. It's all fine and anything goes. The most important thing is that you've turned up to the page and you've given it a chance. I find that just setting that little bit of time each day has definitely helped me and helped my creativity tick over. Even if it's just that 6 minutes of writing every day, and I don't get any other writing done for that day, it helps my creativity flow. And as this challenge goes on, I'm getting more and more ideas every day. So yeah, I hope it's working for you too. I hope you're having a bit of fun with it. That's the main thing. So away you go now, and have a great day, and keep safe, keep well, and happy writing, everybody.